Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're all doing very well. So, we know that babies should not be given sugar till the age of 1 year, but I often get questions then how to sweeten the food. Like my child does not like food that is not sweet. So, today we are giving you another option for it, and that is a very healthy date syrup. It is also available commercially in the market, but we can make it very easily at home and we know that it is healthy. So first of all, you have to take very good quality dates. Seedless dates is what I have taken, and they are very soft. I can just break them with my hands only. So good quality dates is what you're going to need. They should be seedless. If you do not have seedless, then you must take out the seeds. You will have to de-seed them. Now we are going to soak them. So first thing that we are going to do is we'll take boiling water and put them in the boiling water and boil them for 10 to 15 minutes till they become soft, and then leave them in that water for half an hour to 1 hour. Now after that, this is how they look. So this is absolutely soft, very easy to just mash it also. So now we are going to put them in a blender and then blend them into a very fine puree. So here I have taken my mixer jar, and in the regular mixie only I will blend it to as fine puree as possible. If you need, you can add some more water also if needed. Otherwise the soaking liquid is enough for it. So just keep checking every now and then and make sure that you have a really smooth puree. Now, if you are using, you can use this puree immediately for sweetening any other puree or food. Also, you can see there are some big pieces. So we will strain this. Just strain this, and whatever big pieces you have, you can either again blend it or use it for any other thing. So this can be used immediately to sweeten any food, but if you want to keep it for longer time in the fridge, then we'll have to cook this puree. Now, the commercial dates puree or the date syrup that we get is very fine. It looks almost like honey. That is because they do not let any pulp go. So if you want that kind of puree, you can use a muslin cloth to strain this. I don't mind it because I feel some of this goodness of the date should also be there in the baby's food. So this is the smooth puree that we have got. Now we are going to cook this. So just add a little more water, and then we are going to cook this well till it becomes thick, the water evaporates, and it becomes a bit darker. So the dark color will be there because the sugars which are present in the dates will get caramelized. Now once this puree or the syrup is ready, you can add more water as per your need, but make sure that it is cooked well. So now this syrup looks ready. You can use it to sweeten any kind of porridges, syrups, whatever food you want to sweeten for baby, you can use this. Store it in a sterilized glass jar, and you can keep it in fridge for 2 to 3 weeks easily. And this is a completely safe natural sweetener that you can add it to your baby's food. Just make it once, add half a teaspoon on any food. So I do hope that you found this recipe helpful, and if you did, do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel. Take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy. We'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.